y'all, welcome to the vlog. So your girl is at Target and I am highly disappointed. Look at all the lunch meat that I normally buy is gone. I don't know what's going on with Target store. I don't know if the workers are not just working and not just, restocking the shelves, but baby, I am disappointed. Like, where is the lunch meat? So anyways, yeah, your girl just in her feelings. I had to try to come here, get a few things, after I got off work, and yeah, look. But look at the quantity of it. It's like, look at, y'all, I'm not even gonna go here about the water. Look at the cases of water. Gone. Gone, gone, gone. They got plenty of small ones. You see, they got plenty of single jugs. But where's the case of water? Like, where? I wanted to get this Dasani, but I was like, Then you have game day. So that they got this full stocked up. Okay, cookies, chips, stocked. Like, why they didn't do the water like that? I wanted some cheese puffs, but I was like, I don't know. So now your girl is heading. I'm heading to go get my Uber. In my feelings. In my feelings. Like, I had to go shopping though. That's what I got. I had to get some stuff for kids. We got a case of water. Yeah. Anyways,
Hey
now to this.
y'all, welcome to the vlog. So I did a mini grocery haul at Target. Y'all know I really don't shop at Target like that, but shoot, when we was out in Atlanta, that's all we had to do, was shop at Target. So I grabbed a few things. Come here, Z. So I grabbed these ham and cheese Lunchables for the kiddos. We got 4 of them. Put in the fridge. I got some salad, American blend. Put this in the drawer. It doesn't matter. Come on. I got these super moist strawberry cake mix. 2 of them. They're going to cabinet. We're not going to do that because she's crying. So we got some strawberries. Y'all know I already don't buy Target fruit, but hey, it was on sale. These were on sale for $3.99. So I got 2 of them here. And these were on sale for $3.99. So I got 2 grapes as well. Yeah, just stick them in there. Come on. I don't want the video that long. I got some Capri Suns. We got a 30 variety pack. So we got, who we got? Fruit punch. What is this? Kiwi strawberry and Pacific cooler. This one going down there. You gotta separate them. We got some strawberries and cream icing for the cake. Open them so you gotta have a juice. Got some milk. Got a Coca-Cola, cherry Coca-Cola, some ranch. I got 2 things of ground beef. Y'all, this ground beef is so high. These were $6.99, but ground beef is the meat is getting outrageous. It's like them eggs getting outrageous. You just leave the fridge open? Is that what we doing here? You left it open. Ugh. Okay, and we got some water. Now, y'all saw that video, right? They didn't really have no water. But I went on and got this one. All right, y'all. So that's the end of that vlog. I will catch y'all later. Hey, y'all. Welcome to the vlog. So your girl is about to make some hamburger helper. We are about to do this hamburger helper here. I got some ground beef. And my seasonings over here. I was cleaning dishes. But hopefully y'all having a wonderful day. Happy Monday. Oh, shoot. Happy Monday, y'all. I'm just gonna do 1 pack because I don't want to be a lot of meat. All right, so I'm gonna throw this ground beef in there. Add a little seasoning to it. Hey, open this Italian. Yeah, Mom? Open that Italian. Italian sauce? Whoa. Okay, where is that? It's right there, down on the counter already. Okay, y'all, so here is the hamburger helper. Get into it, get into it. Here's plate number 1. It looks so good. Okay, y'all, so here is my plate. I made some hamburger helper, and I made me a salad. And we're going to catch y'all in the next one. Hopefully, y'all are having a blessed Monday. Mine was a little rocky. I'm going to tell y'all what happened. The Uber driver came. He pulled off, y'all. Y'all saw when I recorded when I was at Target. I'm going to talk about this whole video, be the whole thing. Yeah, he pulled off. Like, what? He asked me who I was. He let his window down, asked me who I was, and drove off. But anyway, I had to pray on it. I said, Lord, what is going on? And he sent me another Uber right after that one. Anyways, I'm going to talk about another video. Y'all, I got a migraine out of this world. It hurts so bad. It's so cold to where I have this migraine. It was cold inside the store. I'm like, can y'all put the heater on? They did not turn the heater on, y'all. So your girl is suffering. It done turned into a migraine. It was a little minor headache. But once I get cold, my head start hurting. My whole body start hurting. And so, y'all, I can't even focus. I'm going to try to come back and talk to y'all after I eat my food. Hopefully y'all having a blessed day. If I don't come back, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.